In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively organize your product categories in WordPress for a more streamlined and user-friendly online store experience. First, let's navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Products in the menu on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu, and from that list, select Categories. This is where you can manage your product categories, ensuring that everything is well organized, which ultimately contributes to an easier navigational experience for your customers. Now, you may notice a category labeled Uncategorized. This is the default category that WordPress creates automatically. It's important to address what you want to do with this category because leaving it as uncategorized can come across as unpolished and might confuse your customers. We have a couple of options to consider at this point. Your first option is to rename the uncategorized category to something more meaningful. This might be particularly useful if you have a general category that applies to products that don't fit neatly into the other categories you've created. To rename it, simply hover over Uncategorized. You should see some options appear beneath it, including one that says Edit. Click on Edit, and you'll be able to change the name to something that better fits your product offerings and overall category structure. Consider what kind of products this category will encompass, and choose a name that clearly communicates that to your customers. If you've decided that you don't need a general catch-all category for your products, then the second option allows you to replace uncategorized entirely. Maybe you have another category that makes more sense as your default. In this case, first, hover over the uncategorized category once again. You'll see the option that says Make Default appear when you hover over your other categories. Click Make Default on the category you want to set as your new default. This is important because WordPress requires that there be one default category at all times. Now that you've set your desired category as default, you can go back to Uncategorized. You should see a Delete option when you hover over it. Click on Delete to remove Uncategorized from your list of product categories permanently, and there you have it. Whether you've chosen to rename your default category or replace it with a more appropriate one, you've successfully enhanced the navigational structure of your online store. Thanks to these changes, your customers will have a much smoother experience finding exactly what they're looking for. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, a well-organized store is key to a happy shopping experience for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.